it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my fall holiday decor tour. I just wanted to show you around. Before we get started, I do want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Starting outside in my garden, I just have a couple of lawn ornaments. It's mixed up between Halloween and fall. Here's my fall flag that I made. So under my living room window, I did hang my beware sign. I thought it looked super cute right when you go to walk up the steps. So my favorite part of the porch is this light up pumpkin from Target for $6. It took my boyfriend and I like a full day to get this installed, and I thought he was gonna kill me, but all in all, it's now here and it works amazing. And of course I have my scarecrow hanging right below the mailbox. On my front door, I have my Halloween wreath. I do have those skull skeleton lights and my LED spider light. You can't really see them in the day, and here is some night footage. If you want to see how I made this Halloween wreath, it is on my playlist on my Halloween DIYs. This is my fall wreath. I stuck some little feathers in there from Michael's, and this is my owl from the Dollar Tree, and then I dangled down this fall leaf from the Target dollar spot, and I put my number 2 house number. So I do love my fall wreath here. I think it's super cute. Right when you walk in, I have my I am thankful for chalkboard, and people could write on it if they would like. For fall, I also have my little fall towel and my matching dish drying mat. My windowsill, I have here my little mummy. I love this cutie. I love how he is just a cute little orange Halloween mummy. Up above my curio is the only safe place to put my floral arrangements, and there's my fall plate from my fall vignette. So if you want to check out that video, it will be linked below as well. Also for fall, I have out my Dollar Tree pumpkins on this cute tray. I have my corns and this pumpkin spice Captain Morgan liquor bottle that I thought was cute for fall. On my end table, I have my fall is my jam sign hidden in the background. My Hello Fall pumpkin sign. Those are my little acorns in my jar there with some fairy lights. And here are my set of salt and pepper owls that had to replace the other one that cracked, and I glued these guys down so that my cats can't knock them over. Also on my windowsill is my happy fall sign, and I did again glue that owl up there so the cats can't knock him over either. Here's my skeleton crafted Halloween decor, and this is next to my cat curio. You could sort of see. If you want to tour my cat curio and all the items in it, let me know down below. In my corner here, I just have this little skull pillow. I have it sitting on those blankets. Also on the windows, my Halloween books that I made and my jars, my little poison jars, so you guys could see that DIY. And then on this end table here, I have my Ouija board tray that I made with some other decor from. And last but not least, I picked up this $5 cat. This was from Target because I love cats. How cute is this? Thank you guys for staying tuned to see my fall and Halloween decor 2018. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a great big thumbs up. Please comment down below what were your favorite items in this tour. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.